Okay, so this is the Masterbuilt cold smoker assembly video, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online. Also, you can check out my unboxing unboxing video, and then also my review videos that I'll film after I assemble it. But I want to go through the assembly step by step. As you can see, a minimal amount of parts. You do need a Masterbuilt electric smoker to use this in conjunction with, and I've linked the electric smoker like I use within this video's description. But you can, it's compatible with a variety of other Masterbuilt electric smokers too, so expand this video's description and click the link there to find all of those. So step one, we're just going to go through this assemblaje in Sabalalahe. Okay, so we're going to put this piece on, which is right here. We're going to do this first. We're going to go through this step by step. This is everything out of the box. I have not assembled anything. All that I've done is taken it out of the box. Using a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to take this screw out and sit it there on that styrofoam stuff. And we're going to take this screw out. Very premium feel. When you hold this in your hands, it's got a very premium feel to it. So I'm very happy with my purchase decision. Now you're going to want to make sure you line this up. There's a fat side and then the narrow side. Narrow side's here, fat side's there. So you're going to just line that up. I'm going to do one of the two screws. I'll do this one. Probably easiest if you stick the screw through and then you can see the hole. Start it with your finger. Bam! Okay, start it with my finger. Now I'm going to do the second screw. Don't drop your screws, man. So, you know, me doing this on a deck's probably not the wisest thing to do, but as they say, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, man. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Okay, so we're going to tighten this within reason, not too tight. All this is a handle. Okay, so we got that on. See, now you got your little handle, man. Now we're going to go to the next step. Step 2, step dos. And we're going to do these 4 feet. This just keeps it elevated, so it's not making direct contact with your patio. And these are also adjustable. You can see it's got the nuts. You could change the height of this if you needed to. I'm going to keep it at default setting now, and then we'll revisit that if we need to. So there's that. I got the 4 feet. Now, the next step is this tray, which already has the handles attached. The ashtray, I guess. It slides in. Slides in here. And now, we've got this doohickey with a wing nut. Now this is what will enable it to attach to my Masterbuilt electric smoker, and we're going to demonstrate that within a separate video. But this goes on the inside. It looks like there's a little, let's see. Yeah, there's 2 little, you won't be able to see it in this video, but there's 2 little screw holes in there. So you're going to take the wing nut off of this. Okay, so the wing nut's off of this. It's in this hand. This part's going to face out and you're going to stick it through one of those holes. You'll see the little bracket inside of there. And then once you stick it in, then you, whoa. I dropped, at least that ashtray's down here. I dropped it in the ashtray. So yeah, you have this side facing out. Stick it through one of the holes. You'll see it when you look inside. And then put the wing nut on. Now what I'm not certain about is how far that needs to go. But once you connect it to your Masterbuilt, it'll make sense. That enables it to hold on to the Masterbuilt where your individual chip loader would be. We're going to demonstrate that in a separate video. We're just going to continue the assembly process here. And see, it shows that on the inside of the Masterbuilt. So you can, once you attach it, you can kind of tighten it so it'll hold on the side. This piece, the next piece is this little piece here. So see that just see that just slides on. There's grooves and it slides on. So that's in there. Now let's see, what else do we have? Yeah, just saying, adjust the height if you need to once you connect it to your Masterbuilt electric smoker. Yep, so that completes the assembly process. You can see there's nothing else except this little piece of packing material. So now what we're going to do is actually season it, meaning that without any food, we're going to burn hickory through here for a few hours and eliminate any factory flavors and or smells that may be present. So we're going to do that, and then after that it'll be ready to smoke with. Again, if you're shopping for the slow smoker, the cold smoker like I just assembled here, expand this video's description and click the link there. Also check out my Masterbuilt electric smoker video playlist, because I've got tons of electric smoking videos now and thousands more coming soon. So thanks for your viewership, your subscription, sharing with others. I appreciate your support, and most importantly, cook good food, eat good food, and be happy, man. Eat that good stuff. Cook it yourself. Smoke it in your backyard with a Masterbuilt electric smoker. Thanks for your viewership. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.